In this video, I'm going to show you how to implement a pulsing velocity inlet boundary condition in OpenFOAM. I will also provide the files to my previous jet case, which I have modified to a pulsing jet case. I have added a few variations, including 2D subsonic and a 3D subsonic AMR case. I will show you a basic implementation and tell you a little bit about what each line of the file is doing. So we will be defining the inlet velocity profile as a temporal sinusoidal function with the format u equals a times s times sine of f times 2 pi times t plus L, where a is the amplitude, s is the scale, f is the frequency, and L is the level. The scale value is used both as a way of multiplying the amplitude, but its primary function is as a direction vector for the function. Because of this, I find it best to keep the magnitude of s at 1 and treat it strictly as a directional unit vector. The amplitude of the function determines how large the variation is from peak to minimum value. As you can see here, increasing the amplitude value increases the variation. The level value can be thought of as an offset. You are changing the central value about which the function oscillates. The frequency determines how many oscillations the function completes per second. An oscillation is defined as a travel from a peak to the next trough. And that is it. With this information, you should be able to implement this pulsing or sinusoidal inlet velocity into your simulations. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content. As always, if you like what I'm doing here and think others would find it useful, don't forget to share this video. It is the only way for more people to find this content. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. We just hit 1,000 subs, which seems small by YouTube standards, but it is a scary large number if I imagine you all in a lecture hall. Anyways, thanks again, and let's hope this upward trajectory continues. Alright everyone, have a good day, goodbye.